Hello guys, welcome to my channel back, and today we're gonna make a tutorial of how to make a Pong game by adding a score. We are gonna add a score by making a Pong game. So if you want to know how to make the score run up, go to variables, press make variable, type in score. After pressing OK, you should press the tick mark button. It's already pressed. So the score bar will come to the top. And also, if you want the score to increase up, you should go change score by 1. Now watch. When the ball touches the paddle, the score will increase, as you see here. When it will touch the paddle, yeah, look, can you see the score will increase each time the ball touches the paddle. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you want to watch more of my videos, just leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.